really sorry about the lighting. I've got a ring light and it's just getting greyer and greyer. Winter. I've tried to film this like 5 times now and I'm just never going to be able to get it filmed, so I do apologise about that. Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name's Nicole and here on Wee Mama I do lots of motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning and organisational videos. So if you like that kind of content, I would love it if you could stick around and maybe consider subscribing. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, it's going to be my Beautypie favourites. I was going to do an unboxing. I've got my box right here, but as you can see I've already opened it. I bought some new products and of course I just wanted to try them out before I actually unbox them, because then I feel like I can't really talk about them. I am by no means a beauty blogger. I do not have the right kind of equipment, but I am going to try and get through these as fast as I can and just talk about my favourites, why I like Beautypie. This video is not sponsored in any way, shape or form, and I just wanted to share my thoughts, my views and the products that I like. I'm a relatively new member to Beautypie. I only started my membership in lockdown, so around April or May I think of this year. I really do like my skincare and I do like makeup. I'm not a huge makeup wearer, but I do like to buy a bit of high-end makeup now and then. But now that I'm a mum of 2 under 2 and I'm basically back on maternity leave again, and because COVID, I've not been picking up my usual makeup. I really do like Space NK and I haven't really been able to do that because of my babies and due to COVID. So I just thought it's just going to be so practical and easy for me to be buying these things and just get them delivered straight to the door. I went for it and I bought the £5 a month membership just to try it out, and I'm still on that plan. At the moment it is kind of serving me well. I'm thinking of maybe upgrading to the £10 a month. But before I get into all of that, I'll just explain what Beautypie is, why it caught my eye. So basically Beautypie is an online skincare and makeup brand, like well-being brand, where you shop online and the products get sent to your door. You choose a monthly membership and that is basically calculated on their typical prices. So for example, a moisturiser would be £30, but you can only pay £15 for it. So they're trying to cut out the middleman, basically deliver luxury products but without the middleman. And this is where I find it a bit tricky with the £5 membership. With the £5 membership you can only spend £50 a month on the products. If you purchase the £10 a month you get £100 spending limit. I just did £50 to start off with and I really like it. So my £5 membership includes shop for up to £50 worth of luxury beauty products each month, and then you get a £50 bonus on your first month, and you basically save up to 80% on typical prices, and you get upgrades and something called Piedays. On Piedays, members can shop for selected products without using their spending limits. So that's quite a good concept. I really do like that. Basically, you can get memberships that include £5, £10, £20 a month and £99 a year. So enough rambling about the ins and outs of Beautypie, let's get into the products. So first of all, I'm really annoyed with myself because I didn't know I was going to film this video and I actually threw away some empty bottles. So whatever I don't have to hand, I will just screenshot and put on the screen. So one of the first products that I've bought and I've actually ended up repurchasing is the Beautypie SUPERBROW Precision Pencil. These are really good. I like brow pencils like these. I've tried Anastasia, Benefit, Charlotte Tilbury. I really like the double-ended ones. It's just so much easier to use. I like a twisty one and then with a little spoolie at the end. I really like the small nibs because they're really easy to like fill in your brows. I have got the shade Perfect Brown and this has been perfect for me. But I will say I do not think that there is actually a lot of product in these. I ordered my first one in May. I didn't even wear makeup for the majority of lockdown, so to run out of this by August was a bit shocking to me because these tend to last me around 6 months, and that is with me using them every single day for work. So I think this actually lasted 4 months and I barely used makeup. So I repurchased this again at around the end of August and it is now November and this one has now run out. So these kind of last me 4 months at a time, but for the price, on the website it says that these are typically £20. Now I know that my Charlotte Tilbury ones are around £22 and these on Beautypie retail for £5.45. So even though I'm not getting as much product out of them, I think I'm still saving money by using these. So I really want to stock up on these, but one annoying thing about Beautypie is that things become out of stock really quick. So for example, I've run out of a few products, and when I went to repurchase, you have to basically put them on, like pre-order them, because things run out so quick and they don't actually stock them up as fast as I would like, you know. And of course, because it's Beautypie and it's just one company, you can't buy these anywhere else, they do run out of stock quickly. Whereas with my Charlotte Tilbury one, if they run out on the website, I would maybe go to Debenhams or John Lewis website and I could order it from there. So that is another thing to consider about Beautypie, because there are so many things that I want to reorder and I can't. So my next favourite is the Beautypie Ultralight UVA/UVB SPF 25 Moisturizer. I really like this stuff. I am now coming to the end of this. I bought this in the May order, on my first order, and it's only just coming to an end, and I have used this every single day. I'm really particular about, you know, wearing SPF every single day. If I don't wear makeup, this is my only moisturizer. I will always put this on because it is SPF 25. I would like to see this in a higher SPF, but for now I've really been enjoying this. It says on the website that its typical price for this kind of SPF moisturizer retails at around £35, and this particular bottle is £9.89, which I think is really good. £10 for an SPF moisturiser. But this one has hyaluronic acid and licorice extract. And my only thing that I dislike about this product is that it happens with every single SPF and sun cream that I use, is that I just feel like it just absorbs into my waterline, and then you get like sun cream eyes where you're blinded and, you know, you feel like you're never going to see it again. But I really do like this product. The other moisturiser that I bought was the SUPERDOSE Vitamin Oxygen Boosting Moisturiser. They say here that their typical price is £50 and I paid £15.38. So I would basically wake up in the morning after my shower and cleansing, whatever, I would put this on first and then my SPF on last. I've never tried any kind of skincare products with oxygen in it before, and I really feel like this changed my skin. Again, I will get into why in a moment, but I really like to have these two moisturisers on hand, and I really do feel like these products kind of change my skin. Just for a bit of background info, I have normal/sensitive skin. I tend to have a little bit of sensitivity just underneath my nose area and sometimes in my eye area. But aside from that, I don't really feel like I have oily skin, or I don't tend to have too much acne. I do get hormonal spots, but they are mostly like down here on my chin, like by here. And I always tend to get like one big juicy one right there on my forehead. You know, not on this side where my fringe covers it, no, on the other side. So that's like a little background about my skin. Now, these products, this line is probably my favourite that I've tried from Beautypie so far. Again, annoyingly, I threw out the bottle the other day and I'm kicking myself, but this cleanser has just basically been my favourite cleanser that I think I've probably ever used. The range is JAPANFUSION and it's called the Pure Transforming Cleanser. It says the typical price is around £25, and I purchased this for £6.77. This is beautiful. I feel like it hasn't got any kind of scent, whereas I feel like the Oskia Renaissance cleansing gel has basically got like a medicinal kind of smell to it. This one is like basically fragrance free, and it is the same consistency, maybe a little bit less oilier than the Oskia one, but I think it cleans my skin beautifully. Obsessed with it, and the annoying thing is that I've tried to repurchase this 2 times now, and every time I go to get it, it's out of stock. And the reason that I also love that cleanser is because I pair it with this. This again is from the same collection from Beautypie, and the collection is the JAPANFUSION, and this is the Hydra Prep Lotion. It says it's like a skin soothing moisture accelerator with antioxidant, vitamin C and grape polyphenols. But this stuff on top of the other product is beautiful. Like, my skin was glowing. It just glows after using those 2 products, and especially this. I think it's down to this more than anything, because this is the thing that I put on afterwards. I have actually never felt so confident without wearing makeup. Like I said, throughout lockdown, that is the first time that I've ever gone like the longest period without having makeup on. So to wake up every day with actually feeling like confident in my own skin, that was really nice to have, and I definitely put it down to this brand. It says directions to be used. Use a cotton pad or your fingertips, apply a small dose onto your skin immediately after cleansing. This balancing and hydrating essence will prepare your skin to optimize the absorption of step 2 deep treatment serum and step 3 supreme cream applied afterwards. This is basically an essence, and I've never really used an essence in my skincare routine before. I know that's quite like a Korean, Asian kind of thing. I think that's why it's called JAPANFUSION. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know that like Asians, Korean skincare is really particular on having essence in their skincare routines, and I really rate this. I love it. I really feel like my skin just glows afterwards. I do not use a cotton pad. I just use my fingers. I make sure that my hands are clean after like cleansing, and then I wash my hands. I just pour a little bit onto my hands and I just pat it into my skin, and I feel like I've got really good results from using that. I cannot wait to get the cleanser. And I will also say the other steps. So this says it's step M1. I don't know what the M stands for, but I definitely really want to get step 2, the deep treatment serum, and the supreme cream. I really want to try the whole of this collection. Another thing that I bought that I wouldn't kind of tend to lean towards is this eye serum. This is the Pure Ceramides Elastic Boost Moisture Serum with puffiness reducing roller balls. And I've never really tried anything like this before. I've never really paid attention to my under eyes, aside from using like a Kiehl's avocado eye cream. And I just thought, I'm nearly 30, so maybe I should start looking after those. But as you can see, it's got all like little bubbles inside the product, and this is what the roller balls look like. So it's really cooling, and it's just quite a nice product. I can't quite work out if it's working. I don't tend to get puffy eyes. I don't know, I just don't ever tend to really notice me having puffy eyes. It's like in the morning. So I don't know, I just thought that I would try it, I'd give it a go, because the prices do like lure me in. It says that this product typically retails for around £40. This is £6.81. And if you know, I can't, like I said before, I haven't got any like the lighting or the proper equipment to be doing this, but I can't quite tell if it's doing anything to my under eyes. I think I also got lured in because I was pregnant and I wasn't sleeping very well. I was going to be having a newborn baby soon, and there's sleepless nights. I thought this might come in handy. I've been using it now for a few months, and I'm the same with all eye products. I just don't think that I see any kind of difference or results. Let me know what you think if you've tried this. Moving on to some more makeup, I wanted to try some new eyeliner. I tend to use Charlotte Tilbury's eyeliner pencils, and this is basically the same thing. This is called the Ultra Colour Pro Gel Liner. This retails for around £17, and the Beautypie price is £4.47. So I just feel like you can't kind of go wrong with that. I'm not entirely sure I like the gel formula, and I think I had the same problem with the Charlotte Tilbury one. I just feel like it smudges really like a bit too much. And I don't really have the brushes to kind of like even it out, so I don't think I will be repurchasing this. I've yet to find a brown eyeliner that I like. Now these products are what I've ordered very recently that came in my box. Sorry, I really should have cleaned these before I filmed this, but oh well. I've only used it about 2 or 3 times. This product is called the Great Skin Foundation. Online it's called the Everyday Great Skin Foundation, and I've got the shade Buttermilk. This typically costs around £30, and Beautypie's price is £7.37 for a foundation. I think I like this product. I'm very fussy when it comes to foundations. I do like quite a dewy, glowy foundation. I do not like matte foundations. I do not like heavy foundations either. So this is very nice. It's really nice to apply. It's very lightweight, but I feel like once it sets, it does just sink into my pores, and that I'm not a big fan of. But I do kind of like the colour, and I do like the consistency and the feel of the foundation. I do think it is quite nice. For £7, I think I really need to make myself like this because I will be saving a fortune. You know, I really need to use it more to see how I like it. I think I like it. I need to try it out a bit more before I make any final decisions. My next product is this sheer tinted oil-free SPF 20 like foundation tint. It says it's got eco-certified squalane and soft focus finish. Now this is what I'm wearing today, and I've definitely gone a shade darker than I want to be. It is very, very orange, and I feel like my neck, I'm just glowing. I'm a glowing orange. I really can't make my mind up about this product. It says the typical price is £28 and the Beautypie price is £6.72. I tried it on straight away and I do not like the application. The application is horrific. It's really sticky, and I didn't use a brush, I used my hands, and it just, as soon as you like smudge it, it sticks to your skin. So I'm not a fan of the application of this, so I'm not entirely sure on this product, but I think this is about the third or fourth time I'm using it, and aside from the colour, I do think it actually does give quite a nice finish. It doesn't tend to stick into like my pores as much as the other foundation, but it does claim that it's got a soft focus finish. I really do think it has that, and I think I might pick this up in my correct colour. I've got a feeling that this was light. So if, oh no, it's not, it's medium. Okay, so I definitely need to find a light. And the other thing that I picked up is the Flash False Lash Mascara. I really needed a new one. I am typically a Lancome mascara wearer. And it says here that this typically goes for £20 and the Beautypie price is £4.86. All the eye products I kind of feel like are in the £4 price range, so that's quite nice. So I do like this mascara. So I've just put a little bit on today, and I do like this, but I'm quite picky when it comes to mascaras as well. I really love the brush. The brush is really small, and I feel like it separates the lashes beautifully. It doesn't come out with quite a lot of product on it, so that's quite nice. And I really feel like when you're applying it, it really does give a really good coat of mascara. This is in the shade Cosmic Black. I don't think they do any of the shades. But the one thing that I don't like about it is that it's not waterproof. I really like a waterproof mascara because it stops the transfer. Because my foundations are quite dewy, I do get a lot of transfer. So the mascara literally, whenever I close my eyes, it just transfers straight here. And I always get loads of just like black mascara lines on my eyes. So that's not great. So I would love to see a waterproof version of this. So there we are, that is all of my Beautypie favourites. I have really enjoyed these products, more so the skincare than the makeup. I definitely need to give some of the products like a second chance. Definitely try some that are in a different shade range to suit my skin better. Highly recommend the skincare products. I have been loving those. I did go into Beautypie feeling a bit skeptical, but so far I really am loving the concept, and I'm definitely considering upgrading to the £10 membership. And next on my wish list, as I mentioned before, is definitely trying the whole of the JAPANFUSION range. Please let me know down below in the comments if you have tried Beautypie, what your favourites are, if you're considering trying out Beautypie. As I mentioned before, this video is not sponsored in any way. I just wanted to share my views and what I thought of the products. I would love to hear your thoughts down below in the comments. Please give this video a like if it helped you in any way, or you just liked the video. It would really help and support grow my little channel. I've just seen the other day that I have reached 100 subscribers, and I can't quite believe that people are actually watching my little channel, but it really does mean the world to me. Thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!